Hello, my White House artists. I wanted to show you this technique. So you guys want to turn your black and white image into a color image, but what we're going to do is we're going to use the screen mode. So I went to this website right here. Feel free, go ahead and take a look. I'll make sure to send this link with you. But this website walks you through everything that you need to do. Okay? So I'll go ahead and scroll down. You can pause when you're ready. Okay?
Well, yeah, but Mercury is like...
Tells you everything that you need to do. You can even do more if you wanted to.
Mercury's were awesome, and I wish
okay? And now let me take you to... Let's go ahead and go again. Okay? Here we go. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open up a new document. This is our end result. This is our goal. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to File, Open, and we're going to go to my White House folder to open up some work. And I want to open up this PDF. So I'm going to open up Amber's. This will pop up. Go ahead and just press Import. It's not a big deal. Now here's Amber's. And what we're going to do is we're going to make a new layer. We're going to press OK. Not doing anything. We're keeping the settings the same. And we're going to change our mode. We're going to change our mode to screen. We're going to select our color, and for Amber's, I'm going to change the coding, which I have all the coding on my desk if you need it. I think I want to make her popcorn gold, so I'm going to change it to A77C37. Okay. Oh, hold on, let me type it one more time. A77C37. There we go. So now we got our gold. Alright, so we see the gold here. Now we're going to go to Edit and Fill with Foreground. So now we got this pretty gold. Okay, it really didn't change much because she went from black and white to a gold, but it did change enough. See? Okay, just so you guys can see how I did it. So from one to the next. Okay? Alright, so there's that. Honestly, we're done. There's not much else we have to do with Amber's. We could decide to go ahead and crop it by using this X-Acto knife tool. That might benefit us. Select crop tool and then press Enter on your keyboard. Okay? You want to just take a quick gander at it, so I'm going to zoom in by clicking the magnifying glass. Okay, it's looking really sharp, but you know what? I want to change something, so I'm going to try something else. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make another new layer, and press OK, and I'm going to change my color. Let's say I want to do the bottom portion pink. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Type in the color, 90. Okay, got the pink that I want. I'm going to go ahead and now I'm going to fill my alpha channel, fill my layer with the pink foreground. Got to change my mode to screen. Pops in. Okay. But all that I want is this portion to be pink. So all her popcorn I want to be that pretty gold. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the eraser tool. I'm going to erase the pink there on her popcorn. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and pop it back up. And it works. I got that nice pretty pink in that area. Okay. I'm going to continue erasing. Okay. Pop the eyeball back up. I have it. It's starting to work what I want. Now, I want to make sure that the popcorn stays gold and this stays the true pink. So I'm on this layer now and I'm going to go ahead and erase that. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and mess with this and play around with it, and I'll show you guys what it looks like in a moment. So I'm almost done with it, but I wanted to show you guys the last little step. I'm going to go ahead and post this video for you guys so that you can access it when you're ready. Alright? Have a great and fabulous day. Bye-bye.